I like trains.
Hello everyone, we are in the Davis siding on this pathway, and we've got a CSX manifest symboled M412, formerly L198. Here it comes. That was it honking at Woodstock Road in downtown Woodstock. And now it's about to pass right here. All right, here it is. Yeah, M412. CSX recently renumbered L198 and L199 to M412 and M411. And yeah, we are a little bit... Oh, here's a Family Lines car. Excellent. We are a little bit east of Woodstock Road Crossing. Yeah, there's this path right here. You can see in the left corner. This is the Patapsco Valley State Park. So if you were to keep walking, or if I were to keep walking, eventually I'd make it all the way to Hollowfield Road and Daniels, which is where it goes over that bridge. Got more hoppers here. A nice open spot. Well, what's this? This looks really old. Maryland Midland. And we got another Maryland Midland and Big Blue. And more old hoppers, and is this another? Nah, I thought it was another Family Lines. Maybe on the other side it would have indicated that it was a fallen flag. I'm sure these are. Old CSX. And now we got some auto racks, okay. Just two of them. Yeah, this is the Davis this siding on the old main line. The second longest to real siding. And some 2 bay hoppers right here. And I believe another Maryland Midland. Oh, they just put their brakes on. Probably because they're doing some twists and turns. And there it goes, M412 here in near Woodstock, Maryland, on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. Thank you all for watching, and hear from the Patapsco Valley State Park trail here in Woodstock, Maryland, on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. This is the Old Main Guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.